So this is a transport of a Philips Turbodrive VHS player. I have no use for it anymore, so I thought let's make a rewind tool out of it. It has here the original capstan motor with the driver IC, and basically the only thing you need to do is put power on this IC, for example 12 volts, and then there is one lead is the control voltage, and yeah, this voltage controls the speed of the capstan. So I made a little PCB for turning left, turning right, and here the speed. And the threading motor you need to put such way that the brakes are off and that the whole drive is in the wind position. Let's apply the power. Now I don't have the lift anymore, but yeah, of course you can make one with the lift. But then you need also to make control for the lift motor, so a little bit of weight on it. And now we can wind and rewind this tape. And I use this because I have some very old players which use the rubber tires, and they always slip when they wear down, and this way I don't need to destroy my old players with winding and rewinding. It's an E240 tape, so it's a 4-hour tape. Need to be gentle at the end. Turning speed down. So that's it.